you think are like the top key performance metrics that are most crucial in managing like sales, specifically remote?
So one of the things I think is key, before I even talk about the key indicators, is simplicity. Like, I think it is so easy in the type of world in which I operate in, which is used to be software, now is software as a service, to have lots and lots and lots of different indicators that are potential indicators of success. It wasn't unusual for me up until about a year ago to get on the call and someone had a new metric that they wanted to talk about. I think one of the most important things that you can bring to your sales team is make it really easy for them to understand exactly what it is that is going to be the key drivers of the success of your organization. And truth is, in our organization, that really just comes down to one metric. That's the ENPS, or the satisfaction of the customers that we work with. As long as we have high levels of satisfaction of our customers, then the next metrics underneath that actually work really well. Retention rates that you have associated with your customers is very strong. Attrition rates associated with employees tend to be better as well. The ability to actually attract new customers seems to be better too.
For startups and smaller organizations, what marketing strategy would you recommend for them? Having like limited resources, limited people?
I think one of the things that a lot of companies skip over or don't spend enough time on is really defining their customers, their personas, and their messaging. And I think they go straight into, let's figure out what our keywords are, let's figure out what our social media strategy is going to be, without, it's akin to not knowing who you are and trying to go out in the world and sell yourself without even knowing who you are. And so whenever we work with startups, we try to get them to say, hey, let's focus on figuring out who we are. What's our brand identity? What's our visual system? What's our messaging? Who are our customers? And then everything just tends to flow so much faster because you're not trying to figure out those questions as you're going through your different marketing tactics and channels, because that's all been defined up front.